Hello, guys, and welcome back to Small Talk Conversation on Daily Routine. So, let's get started. Hi, how's your day going so far? Oh, it's going well, thanks. I started with a morning jog and then had a quick breakfast. How about you? Sounds great. I woke up around 7, brushed my teeth, and then headed to the kitchen for some coffee and toast. Do you exercise regularly? Yeah, I try to jog or do yoga at least 3 times a week. It's helped me stay energized throughout the day. What's your typical morning routine like? Usually, I check my emails and respond to any urgent messages. Then I plan out my task for the day. Do you have any favorite productivity tips? Actually, I used the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of work followed by a 5-minute break. It really helps me stay focused. That's interesting. I might try that. What do you usually do for lunch? I often grab a sandwich or salad near my office. How about you? Same here. Sometimes I meet friends or colleagues for lunch. Do you have any hobbies or activities you enjoy in the evening? Yeah, I love reading or watching documentaries. How about you? I am a fan of watching TV shows or playing guitar. What's your favorite book or documentary series? I recently read The Alchemist and loved it. And for documentaries, I enjoyed Planet Earth. Awesome choice. I'll have to check them out. Yeah, definitely do. Well, it was great chatting with you about our daily routine. Likewise, have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Take care.